Well, hello and welcome to Delo Brown's Aunt Jackie Main Attraction Hair Tutorial video. I'm dancing because I have no idea what I'm doing with my hair. So first here, we're going to use one of my favorite products, which is called Seal It Up. Oh, girl, be careful, sis. Now, again, seal it up. I've always wanted to do that where they put their hand behind the product. I don't know what that really does for the product, but whatever. I wanted to do it. Anywho. So first, in order to use Seal It Up properly, we're going to hydrate our hair with that water. Then we're going to comb it out, especially focusing on our ends. Oh, that's not good. Get that hair out of there, girl. That's nasty. You're supposed to do that before the camera start rolling. Anyways, hydrate my hair with some water. Oh, not the backdrop. My hair is needing of hydration, not the backdrop, sis. Anyway, back to the Seal It Up. So, we're going to take our Seal It Up, which smells really good because it's mixed with omega fatty acids, honey, avocado, and shea butter. So, get some water up in there. Yes, girl, hit it. Combing through. Get those little curls and coils out. So we're going to take a small amount and put it in our palms. Side. Small isn't going to work for me. I'm African American. So we're going to put a glop in, as you can see. Put it all through your hair. Yes, honey. Bounce. Shake. You're going to comb through your hair, focusing on your ends. Seal It Up is really good for damaged ends. It's good to protect them, soften them, and prevent shedding and thinning. Just good overall for just hydrating and applying that good old moisture to your hair. Give it up. Hey, seal it up. All right. So next, we're going to use curl maintenance because at this point, we got to get ready for our perm rod set. So after hydrating our hair, it's time to get some defining curls up in there. I really love curl maintenance because it's anti-poof. And child, as you can see, I'm all poof in this video. See my flexi rods? They're so cute. I use different colors and different sizes because of my hair shape. The top of my head is a little longer than the sides and the back. So as you can see, that's why I'm parting it like that. That's how I used to wear my hair in high school. I really thought that was cute. That's hilarious. Yes, so we're going to part those sides. I love hitting the wall. What is that about? All right, ladies. So I'm going to start my perm rod set any minute after my selfie. So we're going to start in the back. Apply some curl maintenance to your fingers. Put that flexi rod right on up in there. Oh my, I did that really fast. It's like magic. Yes, dab that curl maintenance. Twist that hair, sister. Put that flexi rod right on in. Yes. Look at me. I'm proud of me, guys. Okay, at this point, you can see the stress. I keep hitting the wall. Ooh, child. Those flexi rods look like some jumping jacks. But just trust me, my hair is going to turn out perfect, okay? Curl maintenance, defining curl whip is that deal. I had to go sit under the dryer. I'm back! And now, I'm taking out my flexi rods after doing a perm rod set with my curl maintenance. Yes! Fluff those curls with my pick. Look at me. Styling and profiling. Yes, Seal It Up. Yes, curl maintenance. Thank you, Aunt Jackie. Oh my gosh. Stop dropping stuff, Delo.
And it's really, really comfortable. Wanna take the coast. Or the city streets, take it slow.